Hello everyone. Now we'll be looking into the task 5 of the Sparks Foundation Grip Internship program. And this task is exploratory data analysis on the sports data set that we have. We currently have two data sets with us. One is matches and another is deliveries, and we'll be analyzing both the data sets for our results and visualization. And here, as a sports analysis, we are trying to find the successful teams, the players, and other factors that are contributing to the win and loss based on the data sets that we have with us. Moving on, first we'll be importing the libraries and importing both datasets, that is matches and deliveries. And after importing them, we'll do an initial analysis on both the datasets where we'll try to find the various columns, the shape, whether there are duplicate entries and how many null entries, and removing all those null entries, etc. etc. After doing all this, then we'll go specifically into the analysis part where we will first start with the matches dataset. And first, we'll try to find the number of matches that are held per season, and we get to know that from 2011 to 2013, there were maximum number of matches in the whole data set. Moving on, then we'll try to find the team that has won the most, and we get to know that Mumbai Indians is that team. And we will then look into a factor that is winning based on toss, and whether the winning team wins most based on the toss result. And after looking into that, we get that Mumbai Indians has roughly won the same whether they win the toss or not, whereas some teams have a specific bias to it based on whether winning or not winning the toss. Moving on, then we look into the man of the match data, and here we get to know that Chris Gale has been awarded the most man of the matches. And then after doing uh, these analysis, then we specifically go where we try to find based on batsman and bowler and the fielders we have. And looking into the batsman data, we will try to group all the batsman runs and only the runs that are done by batsman and not because of no ball or any other factor, and we'll try to sum them up. And then we'll try to find the batsman who has scored the highest number of runs, and we get to know that Virat Kohli is the person. Moving on, then we'll try to find how these uh, persons are getting outed, and that is a dismissal kind here. And there are various dismissal kinds, and we'll try to find the dismissal kinds which has the highest count, and we get to know that getting caught is how most batsmen get dismissed. And looking specifically from that perspective, we will analyze based on catches that who's the fielder who took the most number of catches, and we get to know that KD Karthik is that person. And moving on to the second factor, the second one is getting bold. Bold means taking being the wicket is being taken. So we go into the wicket section, and then we try to find the bowler who has taken the most number of wickets, and we get to know that Malinga is a person. Moving on, then we finally look into the run out section and find who's the fielder or player who has helped to take wickets based on run outs, and we get to know that MS Dhoni is the person who has taken so. And after doing all this analysis, then we look into the overall thing where we try concise all the analysis that we made. And after looking into all this, and we get to know that for someone to endorse products, we have to choose team that is either Mumbai Indians or Chennai Super Kings, and in case of players, we have to choose Virat Kohli, Chris Gale, Suresh Raina, or MS Dhoni.